a heavy duty box doesn't get it done. So I need a box, and I need to turn it into a super heavy duty box. All right, I got this Kennedy toolbox here. These are heavy duty machinist toolboxes. This box weighs just shy of 20 pounds and it's not very big. It's like 12 by 12 by 11 or something like that. And a heavy duty box doesn't get it done. So I need a box, and I need to turn it into a super heavy duty box. I have this Amazon Prime box that I collect from my neighbors and stuff for my shipping. I get all my boxes for free. I very rarely ever buy a box. And watch what I do with this box. I don't like shipping my eBay items in Amazon boxes. So let me show you what you do. I'm going to cut this box up. I'm going to open it up and lay it out flat. Then what we're going to do is we're going to slice one side, one corner, so we can lay it out completely flat. Get it out flat. Then I grab my tape over here, and I'm going to lay a piece of tape on here, like this. A couple pieces this way. And you always put the tape on the outside, the Amazon side. Then I'm going to flip it over, lay the box here, bring this side here, match it up, press it down, it's taped together. Then I'm going to tape the outside of it now, the same way as the other one. Two long pieces horizontally that way. I'm going to put one more piece across here. Then you just flip it up, close it up, get the tape gun. We're going to run tape. Ta-da! You got a box that's unmarked. The inside has Amazon, but I don't care. The box was free. I know, you're saying you still have the same box you had before. It's not a super duty, heavy duty box. Here's what you do. Let's set this aside for right now. I picked these up at Costco. They have them sitting out there when you exit. I just grab 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them each time I'm there. And these have blueberries, but they're double-walled, heavy cardboard. And this is what we do. Not with the tape. Get yourself your razor knife. You got to make sure you got a new blade in there, a very, very sharp razor blade in it. And what we do is we're going to cut this. They're not the easiest to cut, but with a good blade, you get through both layers. The bottom's easy. Cut this one. With a good sharp blade, you can get it pretty easily. Now we're going to cut it this way, and here's why. Well, look at that. I don't need to cut it that way. That fits just perfectly in there. See how that fits? So then what we're going to do is we're going to set this one inside the opposite way. There you go. Now, this is next. Let's take this out of here, show you what I do. So you have this. You need to trim some of this one off. Save your pieces. I'll show you why. Let's set this Kennedy box right in here after I get this lid in here. So we set that box in there. I'm going to shove this together. Trim this off. Box there. Ta-da! That's heavy duty. Now we're going to do the same thing with this one. Cut it up the same way. There we go. Set that right on top. There you go. Here's the next step. All right, we got this all setting on here good. Here's the chunks. Take up a little of the slack along the sides. And I can use this. I always keep scrap cardboard down here for this purpose. I'm going to load the sides with it. What you do is you just score this, and it folds real good. There, that box is set in that nice secure. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'll get back to you after I get that done. Got to tell you, tape around the bottom part of it. Get that taped up pretty good so it doesn't come apart. That'll hold that. Now we can flip this thing over. Just set it inside there. Pack our cardboard in here. We're good to go. Let's get this box. Set that right down inside there. And then what I do is I'm going to pack packing paper. This is another thing I get free. Do not throw away your paper bags from the grocery store. Ask for paper and keep it. I will pack this stuff down all the way around here real good and tight. Close it up. And you got a super heavy duty box. Takes you a few minutes. How long did it take me? 10 minutes at the most? Pretty good. Saves you having to buy boxes, and you can't buy a box that heavy duty. It costs you a bunch of money.